Greetings enthusiasts and welcome back to the channel. I'm Rebel Lion of the Electron Rebels, the Grand Admiral, and this is Bike Talk, the personal vlog of an enthusiast. In this episode, we're going to talk about the top 5 electric bike conversion kits available on Amazon. At Cruiser Racer, we're more than just e-bike enthusiasts, we're primarily DIY e-bike builders. And within the DIY space of e-bike builders, there are two types of motors, mid-drive and hub drive. But here at Cruiser Racer, we primarily lean towards the hub motor for our builds. The hub conversion kit replaces either the front or rear wheel of your bicycle with a motorized wheel. And there are two types of hub motors, geared and gearless. Gearless direct drive hubs uses the axle that passes through the center of the rim as an actual motor. It has copper windings fixed to the axle, which is where the power comes from. Geared hub motors have gears inside the casing and connects to the stator through a planetary gear reduction system. Each time the wheel rotates, the motor inside turns much faster, allowing the motor to work at higher and more efficient speeds while the wheel spins at a slow driving speed. The hub motor is available for the front and rear wheel of the bike. Front hub kits evenly distribute the extra weight of the hub motor, making it an exceptional motor for everyday bikes, while rear hubs are ideal for off-roading and better traction overall. This top 5 list was composed from 4 categories. That's features, price, quality, and customer feedback, based on information we found on the Amazon website. So let's get into that, shall we? Starting in alphabetical order, we have AW, featuring a front and rear wheel kit, available in 750 to 1000 watts, 48 volt, brushless gear hub motor, twist throttle and pedal assist, an LCD display showing battery power, time, speed, mileage, and gears, reinforced 32mm rim and 40mm tire. Price, around $250 with a satisfactory rate of 56%. User feedback, 4 stars. Bafang, featuring a front and rear wheel kit, available in 500 to 750 watts, free hub brushless geared hub motor, 48 volts. Controller includes cruise control function and torque sensor. Optional Bafang display, price point $367, satisfactory rate 59%, user feedback 4.4 stars. Jex Petty, featuring front and rear wheel kits, available in 750 to 1000 watts, 48 volts, gearless brushless hub motor, twist throttle with battery level display, and power assist. Price point $226, satisfactory rate 64%, and user feedback 4 stars. Shuck, featuring a front and rear wheel kit, available in 500 to 1000 watts, brushless gear motor, double wall aluminum alloy rim, stainless steel spokes, thumb throttle, pedal assist, and 8P magnet points pedal assist sensor. Price point $289, satisfactory rate 70%, user feedback 4.5 stars. Volamart, featuring a front and rear wheel kit, available in 750 to 1000 watts, 48 volts, superpower brushless gearless hub motor, alloy rims, and stainless steel spokes. A rare earth metal magnet are used in the motor to efficiently produce large power. Aluminum alloy, powerful controller, guaranteed big current supply, adjustable 5-level intelligent pedal assist with thumb throttle. LCD display shows battery level and pedal assist setting. Crank speed sensor for pedal assist. Price point $225. Satisfactory rate 57%. With user feedback 4 stars. Now, as builders, we rather enjoy the hub motor technology, and we're looking forward to future innovation in the DIY e-bike space. And we'd like to know what you enjoy building with. Please leave your response down in the comment section below. If you'd like to be part of our purpose, mission, and our journey, please consider becoming part of the Electron Rebels Bike Club. You can find links to the club in the description below. Ride easy.